Here I'll be showing you how to open an email app, how to create your Gmail without a phone number. Okay, what you're going to do is this: you open your Gmail app, you click on your profile here by the top right. When you click on it, you scroll down and click on add another account, then click Google. It will load and ask you to input your password or fingerprint. I use fingerprint. And here it will request you to enter your email. What you are going to do is you click on this create account by the bottom left, by the down left, create account. For myself, or to manage my business, I'll manage my business. Here it will ask you for your first name. I'm going to add my first name and my last name, and then next. Then date of birth, you enter your date of birth. Okay. And then you enter your gender and you click next. Here it will prompt you to choose from these two, or you can create your own. Here now I'll create my own. Okay. Okay. Then password, here you to prompt you to enter your password. Okay. Now that we've entered our password, what we are going to do is that we'll click next. Here it will bring up where we will enter our phone number. What you're going to do here is you scroll down, and down left, okay, by the bottom left of the page, you're going to click on skip, and we skip. So here is our email. Okay, review your account info. You can use this email address to sign in later. Then thank you. Click on next and scroll down and agree. Boom, our email is live. Let's check. You are all done. Nothing in primary. So welcome, see the welcome email. Your account is live. Start using Google Tools and Business. Now it help you grow your business. So this now is a business email account we opened without a phone number. Okay, this is how to open a Gmail account without a phone number. All right, it's fully functional. Okay, everything will be available for you. All right, thank you very much. See you in the next class.